At number 3, we have Under. Now, Under is just a playable demo, however, I think it really illustrates what it's trying to achieve. Visually, it looks really, really nice, and sure, there are a couple of glitches here and there, but then again, what game doesn't have glitches in this day and age? I really like what it's trying to aim for, and I think it does it really well. It looks so nice, and it has that whole kind of Mr. X or Nemesis feel to it. But playing through it kind of reminded me a little bit of Resident Evil 7, so I think there may be quite a lot, well, I'll say quite a lot, but there is definitely some Resident Evil influence in here. Like I said, it is just a playable demo, and there's probably a lot more to it. I think it is coming to Steam at some point, but I really, really enjoy playing this one. And number 2, we have Dust Bunnies. Now, this was a little bit of a strange one because I don't think I've played anything quite like it. So you had to kind of chase down these bunnies made of dust that were causing dust to accumulate everywhere. And it was really fun to play because at the same time we had to try and sweep up all the dust and clear down the levels of the dust, you know, because it was getting really bad and we're probably going to get game over. It took me a while and I don't think I did it quite how I was supposed to. I think I had to do the air filter. But overall, I just enjoyed going around collecting the dust and trying to get the dust bunnies. And actually, after the video ended, I still played it a little bit more just to see what else I could do. And I think I played it about another half hour, just enjoying it. So yeah, I really, really enjoyed Dust Bunnies. And number 1, we have Senile Showdown. This one was very peculiar because it had that old style look to it in a first person view, and it kind of reminded me a little bit of like a first person Streets of Rage in some way. It made me feel really nostalgic and it was really fun to play. It got a little bit difficult. This is another one that I actually played after I'd done the video again, just to play around a little bit more and enjoy it for what it was. There's not much more I can say. It's just basic in the terms of what it was trying to present, but the whole game itself and the visuals just felt really connected and they felt so well done in that respect, and that is why it was a lot of fun for me to play. So I'll leave the link to all 3 games below in the description for you to have a go if you want to, and I do have playthroughs on my channel. Feel free to check them out as well. And I will see you next month with some great indie Unity games. Fair enough.